1% is 1%. That's close to nothing. Pumunta ka doon sa opisina ng presidente ng Estados Unidos para humingi ng 1% na tawad. Ano yun? It's more of, talaga yan, yung the trouble between the two superpowers. It's China and the United States. Kasi, ang Estados Unidos, gusto nila na nakatutok yung baril nila kay China so that they can negotiate with China. Because itong mga Amerikano, transactional naman itong mga to eh. Gusto nila maka-negotiate. But before they do that, they need leverage. And the only way that they can get leverage is to have their guns pointed at someone. So, kaya I think yun yung talagang totoong mga negotiations na nangyari dyan. Na to strengthen the military presence of the United States dito sa Pilipinas. So it's not really yung WPS, yung Taiwan, trouble yan ng dalawang superpowers that nalagay tayo sa gitna. Because of our geopolitical situation.